Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be breaking out the study abroad costs and provide you some tips about it. So, the topics we'll be covering are tuition fee and scholarships, accommodation, transport, food and groceries, and travel. Studying abroad can be an amazing experience, but it can also be expensive. However, with the careful planning and budgeting, you can make the most of your study abroad experience without breaking the bank. So the first topic we'll be talking about is tuition fee and scholarships. The first and most obvious cost associated with studying abroad is tuition fee. However, there are a variety of scholarships present for international students which can help to cut the cost. Do your research and apply early for securing a chance in a particular scholarship. So the next topic we'll be talking about is accommodation. Another major costly factor is accommodation. Consider living with a host family or finding roommates to split costs. You can also explore alternative accommodative options such as homestay, which can provide you a more authentic cultural experience. So the next topic is transportation. So the transportation cost can be added up quickly, especially if you live in big cities. Always look for student discounts and consider using public transports. Also, you can use biking to save some money. So the next topic is food and groceries. Eating out can be considered expensive, so do cook your meal at home. Shop at local markets or discount stores to save some money on groceries. You can also pack your own lunch to save some money while you are on the go. So the next topic is travel. Traveling is one of the main reasons the students choose to study abroad, but it can also be really expensive. Do plan your trips in advance and look for budget-friendly options like group tours, hostels, or overnight trains. You can also explore local destinations to save on transportation costs. Studying abroad can be a life-changing experience, and it doesn't have to break the bank as well. By carefully considering your expenses and planning ahead, you can enjoy everything your study destination has to offer without worrying about finance. So we hope that you found this video informative, and if you have any suggestions on how to save money when you're studying abroad, do comment it down. And for more such videos, do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.